Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering essentials: the exact Google address tied to Play Store, a phone or device you used recently, and access to recovery email or SMS. Once done, open the account recovery page on the device you usually sign in with. This increases success rates because Google checks device signals. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. You'll shortly request a code, so stay on this device. This fast start avoids backtracking and speeds up verification. Now follow the verification prompts. If the first code option fails, choose Try Another Way and send a code to your recovery email or phone. Google gives multiple paths. You'll be asked why you lost access. Provide the last password you remember, month of account creation, or names of apps you purchased on Play Store. These details matter. Once you prove ownership, Google may prompt verification on a previously used device. Accept it. If you have backup codes, apply them here to bypass SMS delays. After successful verification, set a strong new password, unique and memorable for you, and sign in on your device. Once signed in, update recovery phone and secondary email, and enable two-step verification to prevent repeat lockouts. Add an authenticator app and save backup codes. Make sure Play Store purchases and subscriptions sync. If you hit a block, contact Google via the account recovery form and include precise details, last sign-in time, devices used, and receipts. That extra detail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.